The question is, two charges plus q each are kept at 2a distance apart. A third charge minus 2q is placed midway between them. The potential energy of the system is, and there are four options in the question. First one is A equals to q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a, B equals to minus 6q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a, C equals to minus 7q square 8 pi epsilon naught a, and D equals to 9q square 8 pi epsilon naught a. Let me write the options here. Option A of the question, B of the question, C and D. The first option is q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a. The second option is minus 6 q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a, and the third option is minus 7 q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a, and option D is 9 q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a. तो फोर ऑप्शन में से कोई एक ही ऑप्शन सही होगा. क्वेश्चन एक बार मैं रिपीट करता हूं. टू चार्जेस प्लस क्यू ईच आर केप्ट टू ए डिस्टेंस. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन दो चार्जेस गिवन है, वन ऑफ द बोथ आर प्लस क्यू, और हम सपोज कर लें कि दिस पॉइंट इज ए एंड दिस पॉइंट इज सी, एंड दे आर प्लेस्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस 2a from each other, and according to the question a third charge minus 2q is placed midway between them. Midway means the midpoint of this line. Suppose this is O, so the distance from A to O is A, and distance from O to C is also A, and a third charge minus 2q is placed here. So the question is this: what is the potential energy of the system? So we know that in our syllabus there is a formula of potential energy of system of two charges q1 q2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r. Let me write the formula. Formula of potential energy of system of two charges is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r. So according to this formula we can see in this diagram there are three systems of two charges. One of them AO and other one is AC and third one is OC. थ्री सिस्टम यहाँ पर बन रहे हैं. तो टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी, सो वी कैन ऐड इट डायरेक्टली. सो द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम AO प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम OC एंड प्लस द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम AC. According to this formula, in all three systems, this constant should be common. So when we write these two formula, so this term 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught will be common in all three. Now for AO, the first charge as a q1 is q and as a q2 is minus 2q. So it should be minus 2q square upon distance between them is A. And next for the system OC, so the first charge of system OC is minus 2q and second charge is again plus q. So this is minus 2q square and distance is again A. And the third system is AC. So now the charges are q and q plus q and plus q, but the separation between them is 2a. So here the potential energy is q square upon 2a. This is the separation between these two charges at A and C. Now we have to solve this. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus 2q square and minus 2q square, this is minus 4q square upon A plus q square upon 2a. On solving we have 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus 4q square plus q square. Here A is also common. The term is minus 4q square plus q square upon 2. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught A, and this is minus 8q square plus q square upon 2. So you can see this is minus 8q square and q square means 7q square. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught A minus 7q square upon 2. So we can write minus 7q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a. This should be the potential energy of the whole system. Let me see there is any option or not. So clearly you can see the option C, that is minus 7q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a. This should be the correct option, minus 7q square upon 8 pi epsilon naught a. So the correct option is option C. I hope it is clear now.